Hey YouTubians, Gary with VW Jawbreaker. Today, we're finally going to dig into something that I've been promising for a while. Let's go check it out.
Follow me, and BAM!
The 1914 has been sitting on the bench for a while. We finally get to dive into this puppy and find out why it's got some ridiculous in play. Hopefully get this thing back together and running in time for Bug Jam coming up. So let's get this thing on the engine stand and find out what's going on. Well, here it is on the bench. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not in the camera. But it's got some serious in-play issues. Let's get that flywheel off there and see if there's any shims in it. Noise alert. Now I'll also mention this is a GEX engine, GEX. This was a friend of mine's son's that had for quite a while, and they pulled it due to some issues. So we're going to dive into it and see what kind of information we can find. If the flywheel comes off, you know.
And there it is. I just spilled my water everywhere. Sweet!
Alright. Flywheel's off. 8-dowel crank. That's pretty promising. Let's get that rear main seal out of there.
We're not using it anyway, so we can just pry it right out. Okay, rear main's out. We do indeed have 3 shims. Well, there we go. We drop them all over the place here.
We indeed do have.
Can you see? Can you see? Can you see?
Yeah, 3 shims. So, let me move this back and forth. Oh yeah. Case is beat. Let's get you in here. Hold on, going for a ride.
Hang on, hang on. Alright. Zoom you in.
Now watch here, the bearing, the rear bearing actually moves back and forth. That bearing is clunking. We gotta get this puppy on a stand and find out if this case is even any good. Alright, I saved you some headache. Hole in the shirt. I went ahead and stripped the top end down. I've not split the case. I just removed the oil pump, loosened a couple of the bolts here, and that's all I've done. So let's go ahead and dive on into this GEX engine and see what we have.
I'm finding some have washers, some do not. Interesting.
I don't know how many miles were on this engine, but they weren't a lot. A couple thousand maybe. Excuse me, pardon me.
Ah! I knew better.
I might even stop walking in front of you.
Bottom ones are always cakey.
One of these days I'm going to have a parts washer and I'll just soak the entire engine in the daggum parts washer. That would be sweet.
Come on.
Alright, all the 13s are off. Let's grab the magnet, see if we have any washers. Oh, we do have some.
Okay, alright. One back there. Hello? Hello? Oh, one there. Let's get the pick on that one real quick. Hard to tell. A lot of goop. And... Hold on. There was. Hey, look, a socket. Can you even see with my big ass in the way? Hold on. Alright.
So there are some washers. That's nice. Nice wavy washers. Nice. Okay. I stand corrected. Okay. All washers. All 13s around the perimeter are off. Monster oil pumps out. Okay. And some lifter clips. As we're not sure how this lifter is, or the lifters are, the cam is. We may be using some of this. It's all going to be up for viewer discretion. That sounded pretty good. Viewer discretion.
I'll go ahead and pull these washers. Yep, we got washers. Nice. I hate when people skimp on the stupid things. You know, it's supposed to have a washer. Put a washer there. It's supposed to have a nylock. Put a nylock. It's supposed to have a regular nut. Put whatever. But good grief. Put the proper hardware on. Is it really that difficult? I don't even think these are the right washers, but it's alright. It has washers.
Now we got the case splitting tool. Can you see? Can you see? Yes, yes you can.
Welcome. You've got mail. Oh, my voice is kind of raspy tonight. It's been a busy day, but... Huh. Alright, let's see if we're starting to pop here anywhere. What's going on? Alright.
Take a gander. Looking good.
I'll probably fast forward through this. This is boring.
Remember what I told you. Don't pry.
Alright, we get it? Did we get it? Oh, we got it. Gentle, easy. And voila!
Wipe my hands off. We'll take you off the stand. Let's get in there and get a gander.
What do we see, guys? What do we see? We see... Whoop. Oh, you got a light. Oh, no, Mentos, senor.
See a stock cam. Interesting. Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, you're not even looking. Get over here. What do you think? Can you guys tell? Can you tell? Comment below. Let me know what it is. Can't see it. WSB 86-B. All right. Let's check out the rest. This thing is actually really clean inside. Will you get with it? Oh, I see the Volkswagen symbol right there. So that's most likely a stock cam, stock rods. See the little bump out right there. Alright, alright. Actually got, it's marked too. Check that out, 4. Rotate this one around. Will you start looking over here? There we go. 2. Somebody actually took the time to mark this stuff. That's pretty impressive. Holy cow. So that's what the issue was. Now I remember. He said, man, he said, when you look down in the engine, he said, it looks like the cam gear wobbles. I was like, get out of town. Rivets came loose. Son of a gun. That would actually cause, look at that. Talk about a timing issue. Wow. It sat there and actually wallered out the holes. Wallered. Look at that. So besides the broken cam. Wow. Get over here and look. Man, stop wandering off. What's wrong with you? There's the rear bearing clicking back and forth. Alright. Now at least now we know what we're looking at. We'll get into micing it out and see what's going on.